Good evening, viewers. Welcome to Power Sector News. Today's headlines: Energy trends in India, implementation of Ujala scheme in Andhra Pradesh, smart meters give a benefit of 2.59 crore rupees for Madhya Pradesh consumers. Coming to the details. Primary energy consumption in India decreased by 5.9% in contrast to the 10-year average growth of 4.7%. The combined share of energy consumption from oil, gas and coal fell from 90.6 to 89.7%, and the share of renewables increased from 3.9 to 4.5%. India coal consumption declined by 17% in 2020. The share of coal in India's primary energy mix in 2020 was 55% compared to 27% at global level, and India accounted for 11.6% of global coal consumption. Total electricity generation fell from 1604 terawatt hour to 1561 terawatt hour, a decline of 2.9% in contrast to the 10-year average growth of 6.2%. Carbon emissions from energy use decreased by 7.1% compared to the 10-year average increase of 4.5%. The union government is likely to invest about 450 crore rupees in the implementation of Gram Ujala program in Andhra Pradesh. The Convergence Energy Services Limited will distribute about 4.4 crore LED bulbs to about 81.5 lakh rural households. The program is expected to reduce electricity bills of rural households by 600 to 700 rupees a year. It will also help the AP power sector to reduce peak demand of 1144 megawatt. Under this scheme, 7 watt and 12 watt LED bulbs will be given to eligible rural households at 10 rupees each, and against the submission of working incandescent bulbs of 60 watt and 100 watt. CESL has already launched the program in Bihar and Uttar Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh will be the third state. The power factor is recorded in the calculation after the ideal use of power equipment and the electrical fittings of any factory and other buildings are proper. Smart meters running on the radio frequency system automatically calculate the power factor. Rebate of 1 rupee per unit is available on power factor above 0.85. So far, the Madhya Pradesh Western Region Power Distribution Company has given power factor rebate of 2.59 crore rupees to consumers with smart meters on 1.22 lakh bills. Additional news today. Odisha Discoms and Gridco to auction surplus power to industries in the state. The average wind power generation in Gujarat shot of 106 million units or 4432 megawatt. Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha inaugurated 7 power infrastructure projects worth 10 crore rupees. Topsun sets up GUVNL commissioned 1 megawatt solar plant in Gujarat. Price discovery at power exchanges. National Load Dispatch Center has scheduled 161.32 million units of power for tomorrow, cleared through Indian Energy Exchange. Coming to the price discovery details. Price discovered during night 2 rupees 83 paisa per unit. Price discovered during day 2 rupees 18 paisa per unit. Price discovered during evening 3 rupees 89 paisa per unit. Price discovered round the clock 2 rupees 90 paisa per unit. Weighted average price is 2 rupees 98 paisa per unit. There is no congestion for power transfer in the network, and the prices are uniform in all the regions. Thank you and good day.